It's Project Passion.
ERP awareness and organizational change management. Project Passion is the name given to ERP implementation in CIL and its subsidiaries. Passion अर्थात जुनून. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. At its basic level, a software solution with specific set of standards which integrates into a single platform all the resources needed to run a company. That is, finance, personnel, marketing and sales, production, material management, project management, plant maintenance. एक सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशन जो उपक्रम को चलाने के लिए सभी संसाधनों को एक सूत्र में प्रोसेस करती है। अगला वीडियो आपसी तालमेल तथा इंटीग्रेशन को प्रदर्शित करता है, जो कि ERP इम्प्लीमेंटेशन से अपेक्षित है। हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम एक ऐसी व्यवस्था जो बेहतर स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं सभी कर्मचारी तथा आसपास के नागरिकों को प्रदान करने के लिए, एक ऐसी व्यवस्था जिससे कि एक अस्पताल को चलाने के लिए जो रिसोर्सेज के बेहतर इस्तेमाल के लिए, पेशेंट हिस्ट्री रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए तथा भविष्य में टेलीमेडिसिन और अनेक और बेहतर सुविधाएं प्रदान करने के लिए। ERP के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में जिस तरीके से कर्मचारी काम कर रहे हैं उसमें एक भारी बदलाव होने जा रहा है। ERP के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की सफलता निर्भर करती है सभी एम्प्लॉइज के रवैये पर कि एम्प्लॉय किस तरीके से इस बदलाव में भागीदार हो तथा इस बदलाव को वो एक्सेप्ट करें। इसीलिए एम्प्लॉइज के रवैये में बदलाव लाना ERP इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का एक बहुत भारी महत्वपूर्ण आवश्यकता है। How are we working today? We are working in islands. It is difficult to get real-time and accurate information. The hardware and software in use are heterogeneous in nature. Connectivity is not up to the mark. Technology obsolescence. Software systems are extremely customized and there are multiple versions of the software. Pan-CIL integration is not possible. The present system of software does not meet the user and managerial expectations. Enterprise-wide deployment has not been envisaged. Best practices are not incorporated. There is some automation ingrained, but there is less chance to enhance productivity. The current systems are incapable of incorporating new compliance requirements like GST. What is business without ERP? व्यवसाय ईआरपी के बिना, यहाँ पर ये सभी रिसोर्सेज अपने अपने मॉड्यूल में फंक्शन कर रहे हैं। विथ ईआरपी सीमलेसली सब मॉड्यूल एक साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे। बिजनेस विदाउट ईआरपी, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म प्रोसेसेस and systems with discrete database and application are in practice in different subsidiaries and even within subsidiaries. Business with ERP, uniform processes and systems with single database and single application will be used across subsidiaries. The target is CIL oneness. Once ERP sets in, it will become the single source of truth. There will be single time data entry. Data entry will be at source. All data will be entered into a central database. Real time data will be entered and accessed from anywhere and everywhere. Single source of truth. Data will be accurate. There will be traceability. The data will be complete and integrated with each other, and real-time data can be accessed for transactions. Business processes will be standardized. Standard processes are likely to deliver consistent results. Processes will be automated to a large extent, thus reducing errors. The single standard will integrate processes essential to run the business enterprise through a single database. It will ensure collaboration by providing access to live data. Interdepartmental centralized database will help provide inputs from the data that is funneled into this central database. With ERP, every employee shall see the big picture. This shall provide employees with the tool to make proactive decisions and a feeling of value. There will be common roles and authorizations across all geographical locations. Data security and integrity is ensured. Strategic business information is processed and accessed with proper kind of authorization. Information will be available at one place. Updates will be done by one or more authorized people. Key components of ERP implementation: get the system ready, get the data ready, get the people ready. Through OCM, this is our endeavor to get the people ready first, to get the head ready while the system is being built, the data is being readied in collaboration with our system integrator, Messrs. Tech Mahindra. What are the 5 building blocks of successful change? Awareness. This awareness we intend to spread through various activities of organizational change management. We need to build the desire to participate and support this change. We need to build the knowledge how to change. We need to build the ability to implement required skills. We need to reinforce to sustain the change. Mahabharata says, Yad ihasti tad anyatra, yan nihasti natat kvachit. Whatever is here is found elsewhere, but whatever is not here is nowhere else. ERP is a kind of Mahabharata, incorporating every
But Holland comes in for a pit stop. Time to refuel and change tires. Lou Moore himself changes the tires. Only 4 crew members, including the driver, are allowed to work on the car. It's a tense time. Holland stays in his seat, anxious to get away. Let's watch. tires are changed at last. A crewman polishes the windshield as Holland moves away just 67 seconds after he stopped.
इस वीडियो में देखा गया फार्मूला 1 रेस का पिट स्टॉप का एक दृश्य है जो 1950 में तथा 2013 में पिट स्टॉप में बिताए गए समय का अंतर दिखाता है। आधुनिक तकनीक, वेल डिफाइंड रोल्स एवं सभी संसाधनों में समन्वय से 1950 में 67 सेकंड का पिट स्टॉप लगभग 4 सेकंड में संपन्न किया गया 2013 के इस वीडियो में। यही समन्वय, संसाधनों का कुशल उपयोग प्रोजेक्ट पैशन से वांछित है।
Our social media at ERP Passion. Please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.